Hello everyone, this is Andrew with Apex English, and today's lesson is about when to use a and when to use the. This is one of the most common speaking errors that I hear all the time. So let's get started. We use a in situations where things are general, not specific. We also use a when things in a certain situation are unknown, when we don't know all of the details. And finally, we use a when things are singular. One good rule to remember is that a is never plural. It will always be singular. By way of contrast, the is a bit more flexible. The can be singular and it can also be plural as well. We use the when all of the information in a certain situation is known. Everything is known. And we use the when we're talking about specific things in particular. So the key point I want you to take away from this introduction is to always look at the context. That's really important. Always look at the situation individually when you're deciding whether to use a or the. So let's take a look at an example. Honey, let's go buy a or the car. So we'll be looking at the same sentence, but in two different contexts. So let's say in the first context that we know what car we want to buy. Because we know and we've made a decision, we're talking about a specific car. Therefore, we're going to use the. We would say, honey, let's go buy the car, because we know what car we want to buy. We've already made a decision. Now let's look at the same sentence, but just with a different context. In this case, let's say that we do not know what car we want to buy. Because we haven't made a decision yet, it means that not all of the information in this context is known. There are things that are unknown because we do not know what car we're going to buy. So therefore, we would say, honey, let's go buy a car for context number 2. Okay? So the key point, the key message for determining when to use a and when to use the is to always look at the context. Always look at the situation. Is all of the information known? Or is some of the information unknown? Are we talking about something specific? Or are we talking about something that's more general? My name's Andrew, and this has been an Apex English video lesson. Thanks for watching.